Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing this tutorial on how I did this simple look. This is for the lazy people just like me that they have a special event in the morning and they gotta wake up and put makeup on. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Although I'm not a hairstylist, but I would like to show you guys those Aveda products that I use to give volume for my hair before straightening it. To hydrate my face, I'm using the Lancôme Hydrating Toner. For a clean look for my eyeshadow, I'm using the MAC Eyeshadow Primer in the shade Soft Ochre. For the eyeshadow, I'm only using the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. Here I'm using the gel eyeliner from Maybelline New York in the shade Blackest Black. For a smoother look for the foundation, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Golden Stick Foundation with the Farsáli Unicorn Essence. Here I'm using the shade Banana and Cream from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contouring Kit. Next I'm using the shade Cinnamon and Chocolate. To set the highlighted areas, I'm using the Ben Nye Banana Powder. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. I'm using the Tarte Blush in the shade Paaarty. I'm using the Sephora eyeliner in the shade number 7. Here I'm using the Milani lip liner in the shade number 9 mixed with the Tarte lipstick in the shade Birthday Suit.